Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make Ramzan special mango smoothie recipe. Looking for a refreshing and delicious drink to break your fast? Try this creamy mango smoothie. It is quick, easy and packed with flavor. Perfect for Iftar. This smoothie will keep you energized and hydrated during Ramzan. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making Ramzan special mango smoothie recipe: mango, ice cubes, sugar and mint leaves. Preparation method: take 2 mangoes and peel off the skin and chop into small pieces. Transfer the chopped mangoes to a blender. Then add few ice cubes and add 1/4 cup of sugar and blend it well. To a serving glass, pour the mango smoothie and garnish with chopped mangoes and mint leaves. Mango smoothie is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.